get you wet. I'm gonna make you sweat. A night you won't forget.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Let me take a selfie.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Boy, Troy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope, still of money. He was getting some coins. Used to shoot outs with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen. He was keeping me stylish. Now that's real, real, real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came just to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing daffodils. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he say? He can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my automobile. Let him eat it with his grills. He keep telling me to chill. He keep telling me it's real that he love my sex appeal.
Por eso.
Like I'm bony, he wants something he can grab.
Por eso.
Pull up in a jag and I hit him with a jab like dun 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 dun.
Burbuja.
Anaconda don't. My anaconda
Burbuja. Esa burbuja.
This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles. Sick, bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel. Real country ass nigga, let me play with this rifle. Pussy put his ass to sleep. Now we calling me Nyquil.